Weather, where could we watch you weather? Oh, my head.
Era tohoro yo shihero romugo anje kamanya ndo ndio muhama kumahama bombo apende kamono tulele makuna ine makuna matani kwa ngira toka horo kwa kiyo no mna mimi ndio kitu bado horo kwa bana kwa sababu ina inga 750 na inga 750 no wae toro dombopi uhoro kwa bambu umbopi mbumbura ndi kwa store mbumbu muntu na bombo toro kambo pi store utoro horo kwa ba utire po bombo ukisha kama nyando bombopi hapo bombo pi kana manyandire ukiyara toro horo kwa bombopi ai kwa mama tumbi mama ule mburu ndimana ndimana mashino ule mwangu shambo ape yambo mako ba na tude I don't have time. You don't have time that and you don't have money. Which one do you have now? You don't have time, you don't have money. Mama kana uto ndimene mukashambasha Good evening, my good people. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, it's your girl Nicole. If you're not, thanks for tuning back again. On today's video, guys, I'm just basically doing my traditional attire. It's been how many years now? Quite 10 years. I don't take my hero dress to any tailors except myself. What I expect, but I try to cut my budget. In order to do that, I told myself, why not getting myself a sewing machine? Then I can just sit here in my corners and just do my dress. I don't do it for business, I just do it for myself. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm busy doing it right now. So stay tuned. All right, another day. Good morning, my good people. Let's continue where we stopped. Last night, I only managed to finish this pink dress. So now today, I'll finish this one. I finished the pink one last night and I continue with the Chanel one, which I could not finish. Because it was getting late. I went to bed like 12. So today we're just gonna overlock and put together and finish. Today we have to finish the Chanel one. Yeah, I also have a lot of things to do. I cannot sit here the whole day. I need to finish this dress. There is some other errands that I need to run. I need to go out and pick up my headgear. Unfortunately, that's a difficult thing that I can't do with the headgear. Oh my goodness, Oshikai Balloon is a challenge, guys. I do try. I went to classes. It was not per se classes, but I went to, we had a ladies get together and to see how far we can go with the headgear, but it was a disaster. Obviously, in future, I'm looking forward to finish my headgear. At the moment, I can't do that, so I need to run to my sister to go and pick up my headgear because tomorrow we are traveling to attend the funeral. So yeah, let's get going. It's getting late, guys, but let me boost my immune system first. This is basically the orange plus the lemon with the honey, a bit of mother bot, the ginger, the mother, vinegar, the salt vinegar, but the mother one. So let's try to boost the system first before we I wish we should look into basic you need to be able to cook a proper meal, you need to be able to bake a bread or to bake a more cake. There's it's just a very important list that you need to tick from your to-do list. Okay, that's the must thing. If you can't at least you should you know, you cannot run to just quickly call. Probably Nicole might be busy that time and you just need to come in. You know, there's a few things as a woman that we need to do it. We need time. But people do make time for the things that they want. The rest is just an excuse. If you want to do something, open on bank, open on Jiva. That's the keyword. Bye. Later. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, we are going to make a quick mask. This one is ready. Inside, out. So after you finish, you're going to flip them outside. So make sure that you're doing it outside. Outside is inside, inside is out. So this will go ahead and here. Inside. the mask is done. I'm just going to iron, and then this is the 19 centimeter. Yeah, done, guys. All right, doing some errands. I nearly done. Mbakupolo murangapi, nearly 15 years now. Oshikaiva nu. Yada rutara. Onyashi ya kurama mwimuno. Ngashenda ngikuina nguro mkutu wabikaiva. Obamburanga pinda kapita. 10-11. Oshe yongura yes to me. Na yes to me wapitira imo shirongo. Shopote kwe kuhangarwa ikambangu. But what can we do? So if you are in Windhoek and Kawaro Kudaroshikeva Shakamba Mumbaisa, I don't know, like Taronya, Onyangari Quatarauchi, Tolongobon Bongora and Tepuramani. So guys, I will leave her telephone number on my description box. Tara Onya, Ngaria Quatarauchi. Mehen the Kabo African and Takako, Don Bongoranda, Odon Taurish. Anyway, I'm done now. I need to go back home and finish up this dress is not finished. I just leave it like that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna sit there all day. Anyway, let's do. Okay, my good people, that will be the end of this video. The dress is ready. I'm just gonna put the zip on at the back. I'm done with my dress. I'm excited, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly please do me a favor and just press that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that you'll be notified every time I upload any new video. So for me, Nicole, I love you all so much. So let's finish the zip, guys. The zip is a bit challenge,
especially on this industrial machine. I got used to my little machine, but that one is very fast. The other one is broken, so I need to use the big machine now. So let's finish up the zip, then you can see the full picture or upload the full picture here. Yeah.